Hi guys, guess what today is? Today is Saturday. I'm at my open house over here in Collier's Hill in Erie at 424 Polaris. It's a beautiful home. It is on the market for $949,900. It's 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom, almost 5,000 square foot. It's a Shea home, if you guys are familiar with that builder when this was built in 2016. It's an absolutely gorgeous home. Stop by and see me. Go to catherinewood.com to get all the information on this property and take a look at all the photographs. I'll walk you in just for a split second, but I am here today from 12 until 3. Love to see you guys, and as always, if you come, bring me a cup of coffee, because you know I like coffee. This home is gorgeous, and like I said, it's set at a reasonable price for Collier's Hill. It is one of the lower priced models of this kind, and here it is on for $949,900. So stop by and see me. I'd love to see you today. If I don't see you guys, and beautiful Labor Day this weekend. Bye.